What's going on, everybody? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is my Talon T787. It is a dual motor, dual battery moped style bike. This thing is pretty slick, and I'm going to take it for a spin. I'm going to tell you about my experience with it. Stay tuned. So what if you could get dual motors, dual batteries, and legit power for just under $1,100? Well, that's what this is, the Talon T787. And I'll be honest, this thing surprised me. It is a moped-style e-bike with a pretty wild setup. You've got those dual 750-watt motors, you have dual batteries, you have a full front and rear suspension, and top speed of up to 28 miles an hour. Now, on paper, that sounds like overkill, especially at this price, but after riding it, I have some thoughts. And let's start with the build. When I was putting this thing together, it was easy. I would say probably the easiest bike I've put together. It took me about 30 minutes, and yeah, I built a lot of bikes, but this thing was just straightforward. Everything lined up well, instructions were clear, there were no strange surprises. And if you've never built an e-bike before, it'll probably take you a little bit longer, but this thing is totally manageable. Now, let's talk about looks. This thing just looks good. It's got that moped style frame, the chunky fat tires, and one detail that I really like, those purple brake calipers. It's just a small little touch, but it makes the bike stand out. Overall, I feel like it's got this aggressive, solid look. It doesn't feel or look cheap at all. But the big story here is the dual motor setup. You've got two 750-watt motors working together, and you can feel it. Now, you don't have to use both motors, but when you do, that acceleration is strong. The climbing power, it's legit. You can switch between one or two motors depending on what you're looking for. You want to be a little bit more efficient, run a single motor. You want some power? Well, turn them both on and hang on. It'll top out at about 28 miles an hour. They say with pedal assist. Now that's pedal assist on one motor. I got this thing up to 28 when I had both of them on. So, you know, it's quick, it moves, and it's fast. Now, not only do you have dual motors, but you have dual batteries. Each is a 48 volt, 15.6 amp hour pack. And with those two batteries, you can get a combined range of up to 90 miles. Now, that's ideal conditions. Now, real world, well, it kind of depends on how hard you ride, especially if you're using both motors. But having that extra battery is definitely a huge win. Now, the ride quality is solid. You've got that full suspension, you've got powerful hydraulic disc brakes, and fat 20 by 4-inch fat tires. I'm a big fan of fat tires. They just kind of cushion the road and the feel. Now, this thing, it's capable of off-roading, but the tires it comes with, they're not really aggressive off-road tires. They're better suited for pavement, bike paths, light trails, stuff like that. So yeah, you could take it off-road, but I would probably swap out the tires if that was my main use. Now, this bike did have a feature that I wasn't familiar with. The NFC Unlock was something that was new to me. So basically, you can turn the bike on and then you tap it with this NFC chip to get it going. It's cool. It definitely adds a layer of security, but it was new to me. And my concern isn't someone being able to bypass it or whatever. I'm just wondering if a would-be thief would even know that that was a thing. They take the bike, knowing it won't start, and then they're stuck with a giant, heavy paperweight. Either way, I guess it's a nice feature to have, and I think if this becomes more common, that would definitely be a bonus. One quick side note, while filming this, I actually crashed my drone. So yeah, that's a bummer. The drone didn't survive, but at least the bike did. Anyway, let's talk value. This bike comes in at about $1,250, which is a pretty good deal for dual motors, dual batteries, full suspension. But I also have a $100 coupon, which I'll throw in the video description down below, and that makes it even more compelling. At that price, it's kind of hard to find something like that. So if you're looking for a moped-style bike and you like the dual motor setup and the dual battery setup, this is definitely something I would consider. The biggest drawback on this bike, I would say, is probably the weight, right? Dual batteries, dual motors. This thing isn't light, 85, 90 pounds, something like that. But, the bottom line, if you're looking for a powerful, good looking, solid e-bike that delivers more than you'd expect for the price, yeah, this is it. The tires are true off-road, the NSC, it's cool, but maybe it's just kind of gimmicky. But overall, I'd say this is a really strong value, especially if you want power without spending a ton. I was impressed by how much more torque you get with this dual motor setup. If you want to check it out, links and discount, they're all in the description. Everything's there if you're looking for it. If you like seeing honest reviews like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.